So we have the JetBot here. In this video we're just going to look at charging the JetBot, how to set up the mouse, keyboard and monitor, how we boot up the JetBot, setting up the Wi-Fi, and then I'll have a look at how we remotely access the JetBot and then the correct procedure to shut it down. So for charging, here's the charging port here. Now we just need to be careful because there is also a port on the top. That's actually how you power the Jetson Nano directly, but you won't have a charger for that, so don't try to put anything in there. Just use this charging port down the bottom. And basically what that will do is charge the LiPo batteries that you can see inside the power stage there. So the power stage just provides various voltage levels throughout the JetBot itself. So we'll go ahead, we'll connect up the mouse, keyboard and monitor, and then we'll turn it on and just have a look how the JetBot boots up with the goal of setting up the Wi-Fi address. So I've just connected the cables in there. There it is. So we'll turn the JetBot on, a few lights will flash, and if you have a look at this connected screen, it'll start to boot. So it's a version of Ubuntu that's going to boot up, that's installed. It's coming along now. Yep, nice snazzy little desktop. So have a play around with it, but basically all I'm going to do here is just set up the Wi-Fi for remote access. So log into your Wi-Fi, enter any username or passwords that are required, and it should come up and say yep, you've connected, and yep, we have. So if you have a look at the screen on your JetBot, it will say what your IP address is, which you will need to access it remotely. So that's a handy little feature. So I'm going to set it up remotely now. So I'll leave it on. I'll unplug all these cables. Won't affect it at all. So it's going to be remotely running off battery, operating system still running. And then I'm going to reset up my PC, which in this case is an Intel NUC. So it's totally separate, but it's on the same network. I'm going to use the IP address and log in. As soon as this video gets its job done. Yep, okay. So we've gone to the JetBot WaveShare wiki page, which is what I followed to set the JetBot up. So I went through steps 1, I think it is to 5, just installed the NVIDIA package to set up the JetBot, went through the procedures listed to get all the correct packages installed. So when you start using it, you should be ready to go to basic motion, which we may do a video about. But basically what I really want to show you here is how to log in to the JetBot. So we'll go up to we'll open a new tab and we'll copy this address here. So new tab, copy the address, and then we'll insert our IP address that we've got off the JetBot panel, LED panel. So there we go. We've logged in. You'll have a password, so enter your password. In we go. Loading. Okay, so basically all we're going to do here is, I just want to show you how to shut it down properly. So we're going to open a new terminal and we'll enter the shutdown command, which is sudo shutdown now, and then you'll be asked to enter your password, and then it will go through the procedure of shutting down. Now we don't want to flick the switch on the side just to turn it off, because we want to safely boot the operating system down to save any data corruption. So here we go, shutting down. It's shut down. But you'll notice the fan is still actually running, so we will need to power off the power board. And then that is correctly shut down. So you should be good to start using your JetBot now. Yeah, enjoy. So this screen should actually, yep, it's disconnected, so JetBot's shut down. So good luck.